This is my Smartboard activity for kindergarten math. My standard is solving everyday math problems. On the bottom is an outline for my Smartboard games. For my first activity, the students are to put the blue items in the blue box. If they are to take this green shirt and try to put it in the blue box, it will bounce back. But if they are to pick a correct blue item, like this car, it will spin and stick, which will show them that their answer was correct. For my next activity, students are to count the items on the left side and match it with the number on the right. For example, the frogs. If the students are to correctly count the frogs, they will know that there are 6. They will then take time to look on the right side, and if they find the number 6 and they drag it over to behind the yellow box, it will stick. If they are to pick the wrong number, the number will then bounce back to its place on the right. For my next activity, students are working with least to greatest. The students are to put the numbers least to greatest from left to right in the blue boxes. If the student were to try 9 as the least number, it will bounce back. But if they correctly pick the number 3, it will hold in the blue box. My next activity is for students to put the numbers from greatest to least. The numbers are in the bottom left corner. If the student were to pick the 0 as the greatest number, it will not hold in the triangle. But if they are to correctly pick the greatest number, like 7, it will stick in the green triangle. My next activity is for the students to put the even numbers in the heart and the odd numbers in the star. If they correctly put the number in the right shape, it will hold. If they put the wrong number in the shape, it will bounce back. This shows the student that their answer is incorrect. For this activity, the students are working on solving equations. If you are to look at the second equation, 3 plus 5 is 8. Students will then find the correct answer, in this case it is 8, on the right side. They will then drag the answer to the blue box and it will hold if it is correct. If the number is incorrect that they pick, it will bounce back. For this exercise, the students are to put the even numbers in the blue circle. If they pick the correct number, it will hold. If they pick an incorrect number, it will bounce back. This is to show students the difference between even and odd numbers. And for my last activity, this is a matching game for students to learn what shape names and shapes go together. If the student picks the correct shape name, it will do a spin and stick. But if the student is to pick an incorrect shape name, it will bounce back to the box. This is a good visual activity for students to learn shape names. Thank you.